How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you have linked your Facebook account with Instagram and if you want to remove that, here's how you can do it. If you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to their profile page or to your profile page. Once here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right, and under settings and activity, head towards the top section and tap on accounts, and here scroll all the way to the down and there tap on accounts, and here you will find all the account that is linked with your Instagram account. So from here, select Facebook and tap on remove on Facebook. Here it says, are you sure you want to remove your Facebook account? Then tap on remove account once you confirm, and make sure to read all of this information, then tap on continue. Now for the final confirmation, tap on yes, finish removing, and with that your Facebook account will be removed from Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.